Unite for a cause, the power of collective action. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the beauty of the English language and unlock its mysteries one phrase at a time. Today, we're exploring a very powerful and inspiring phrase, unite for a cause. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also offers a glimpse into how language can reflect social values and actions. So, let's get started and uncover the meaning and significance of coming together for a common purpose. The phrase, unite for a cause, is composed of two key elements: unite and a cause. To unite means to come together or join forces, often for a specific purpose. A cause, on the other hand, refers to a principle, aim, or movement that people believe in and support, especially one that seeks social change or charitable objectives. When we say people unite for a cause, we're talking about individuals or groups coming together to support a shared goal or mission. This can be anything from environmental conservation, fighting for human rights, to raising awareness and funds for health issues. The beauty of this phrase lies in its emphasis on collective effort and solidarity. Unity is a powerful tool in achieving any goal. When people unite for a cause, they pool their resources, knowledge, and energies, making it possible to achieve much more than any individual could on their own. This section of the video highlights why unity is crucial. Strength in numbers. A united group can exert a greater influence, attract more attention, and achieve broader support. Diverse skills and perspectives. When people from different backgrounds come together, they bring varied skills and perspectives that can enrich the approach to solving problems. Emotional support. Working together provides moral and emotional support, making it easier to overcome challenges and stay motivated. Let's look at some real-life examples to illustrate the power of uniting for a cause. 1. Environmental campaigns. Groups worldwide unite to combat climate change, organizing cleanups, and advocating for policies that protect the environment. 2. Social justice movements. People come together to demand equality, justice, and rights for marginalized communities, showing how unity can challenge and change societal norms. 3. Health and research funding. Communities unite to raise funds for research into diseases, demonstrating how collective action can contribute to scientific advancements and support for affected individuals. These examples show that when people unite for a cause, they can create significant, positive changes in the world. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and impact of the phrase, unite for a cause. We hope this video has inspired you to appreciate the power of collective action and perhaps even find a cause you're passionate about to support. Remember, when we come together, we can achieve incredible things. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. Together, let's continue learning and growing. See you in the next video.